Welcome to the Rares Report for July 31st. If you haven't seen it already, our Monster Merch Report for July 2013 was a resounding success in the predictions that we made. Yesterday we saw Easter egg drop below 83 million for the first time in weeks, and today it dropped again and had a serious swing around here in the prices. We can see this is very important in the monthly chart price levels. When we go on to pumpkin prices, it went up and down in a violent move throughout the day, a few million gold pieces back and forth. But Disc of Returning was even more so, where it was coming from 209, 207 here, back up to 227, a big range in this market over a very short time. And Half Jug of Wine also showed some big range and big swings, and some people who are flipping these items are either making a killing or they're losing a killing. When we go on to party hats, we see that purple party hat really recovered quite a bit in prices. And it really looks like a bungee jumper having hit the bottom and come up, and it does look like it has momentum to go back down. But again, we're always looking for a bottom formation, and this is a potential 1, 2, 3, and we'll be watching this market again. Let's go on to the yellow party hat. Also showed strength throughout the day, went up a good 60 million gold pieces, a very good recovery, and this is a very small 1 to 3 bottom formation. I didn't enter the price data throughout the day, I only stop and do it once a day, so I wasn't there while this formation was being created, but very interesting to see that, and then the price is surging so much higher out of that formation. If we go on to green party hat, also showed surging prices throughout the day after hitting that bottom a day and a half ago. Red party hat also showed a very similar price pattern, showing strength, and again coming up to this level and flattening off a bit in the weekly chart as we see this price level here. White party hat stayed flat throughout the day after a big reset in prices the day before. Blue party hat stayed flat throughout the day. Moving on to the lowers, we can see that the green Halloween mask broke down out of this little triangle formation and has been continuing the downtrend, now at very important levels for the last long time. And seeing what the party hats have just done, I do expect this to break further down. Sliding down here to the blue Halloween mask, the prices tried to recover a couple times but then showed further weakness. Again, we're reaching significant levels in these charts, so I do believe that the lowers will continue and follow the party hats. Red Halloween mask showed higher, stronger prices throughout the day after hitting a bottom a day and a half ago, and I do anticipate that this downtrend will also continue. The surprise of the day is that Santa hat actually went above the 50.5 million and reached a high of 51 million, but not really breaking through these levels to give any indication that this is going to be the exception to the rule. And that's it for the Rares Report for July 31st. Continue watching over the next while as we monitor the rares and watch for them to be hitting a low point and then turning around and reversing this downtrend and starting again back on the uptrend. It may take a while. We'll continue to monitor this market. If you haven't seen it already, our Monster Merch Report for July 2013 was a resounding success in the predictions that we made. And be sure to subscribe to the Lumbridge City channel for the next Monster Merch Report out any day now.